Greetings, salutations, Rube the Great here. I haven't done one of these in such a long time. I forgot I even had this.
You can love it, you can leave it. This ain't nothing without it. Don't let them keep you down. What if I don't need it? There's something about it that just frees me out.
Greetings, salutations, Rube the Great here. I haven't done one of these in a long time. Got this unboxing video. I got some boxes back here. Haven't done one of these in a while because I really ain't had much to unbox. I pick up things randomly, but I just so happen to have like 3 boxes waiting for me, and one of them surprised. So hey, this one, I'll go ahead and tell you exactly what it is. Come on now. So I was able to pick one of these up. Yeah. Ooh. Bam. That is right. Silver Surfer. Now, these popped up last week, and everybody was trying to get one. Trying to make sure all the hands are correct on here. And while everybody was trying to get one, the website wasn't uploading or wasn't allowing people to get something, so it was like you were fucked. But everybody was eventually able to get one that was trying to get it. So this right here is going out to Senor Plastic Addict. If you saw my review, you saw that I was lucky enough to get one of the NECA Ninja Turtle sets. What a lot of people don't know is I was able to get 2. What did they make, like 5,000 sets or something like that? I'm not sure. But the first day I tried to get 2, failed. System wouldn't let me do it, sold out. The next day I said, you know what, I'm gonna get 1. Bam, went through, boom, 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 done. Got my set. Day 3, I know George said he was looking to get one, so I said, you know, let me see what I can do, if I can work some magic and finagle the system and see if I can possibly get him one himself. And bam, I was able to get set number 2. So yes, I was lucky enough to get set number 2. And it's not for free. He paid me for it. Damn it. He paid me. So yeah, while I was over here doing that, today what I did go and manage to grab was, I was at, what was it? I was trying to do the pre-order for the steelbook for the Infinity War when it came out, and I missed it at my store completely. And I was trying to get it in, like the other day. First of all, I'm running late on that again, but it ended up being like the closest store was like 20 miles away. So I said, fuck. So like early this morning, I just randomly woke up at like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I just looked at my phone like, fuck, it's 5. I'm like, well, let me check this Best Buy real quick. And bam, it popped up that I could have done it for pickup today. Did it. They got it done, picked it up, and bam, steelbook, 4K. Oh, I love these steelbooks. These steelbooks are dope. Okay, anybody say these things are dope. So yes, I was able to pick that up. I'm not gonna open George's box. I wanted to, but I was like, let's open up George's box. This box right here, this box right here, this here box right here. This is from the Syndicate Santa himself, Nate Simmons. He was selling some stuff off, and I bought something from him. I know what one thing is in here, but he's saying that he sent some extras. I was like, oh, yay. Like, here you go. Surprising the fuck out of me again. So, let's see it here. I think he sent this from the Ninja Turtle box. Oh! Whoa! Okay. Hell yeah! Oh, hell yeah! Oh, that's it from the box. Okay. So I'll show you what he sent me on this one. And he was selling this, and it was something I really wanted. It's like Christmas morning all over again. And it was in the box. She had to find something long enough to send this in. Pause. So he sent me, I bought this from him, and like it was something I really wanted. Like, it's Power Rangers related, and I can set this up on my shelf. So I was like, yes, give me that. Hashtag give me that. But he's doing some extras. Some extra goodies. I've seen these, and I never really got them. And I passed on a couple times, but man. The gold Millennium Falcon. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. And it's die-cast. I never really... I've seen these a few times, but I've always passed on them. But I'm glad this is a dope pickup right here. Like I'm very excited to get this because I like little shit like this. And what is this? I forgot. The Slave One. Yeah. All gold everything. All gold everything. Oh man, that's dope. That is dope. Oh yes. So yes, I was able to grab those. I have to go send that package out to George. I gotta go do a review on this Silver Surfer. People have already done reviews on them, so it's like I'll try to get it out. No, I'm gonna go watch Infinity War tonight, so I might go get it out tomorrow. I might work on the video tomorrow and put it out the day after, whatever. I gotta come up with some funny shenanigans for it anyway. But thank you for rocking and rolling with me. Thank you for seeing my haul. Look at that. Go, go, Power Rangers. Do, 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 do. I'm sorry. I like Power Rangers. As a matter of fact, I had sold off like the whole set. Like the Metallic Rangers, the Legacy Rangers. I sold off all the Metallic Rangers, the White Ranger, Green Ranger. And I actually regret selling off the Green Ranger and the White Ranger. So, somebody put it up in the syndicate page. Dan, something. I forgot your name, Dan. Don't get mad at me. I forget things. But he was selling one, so I grabbed that Green Ranger. So I got a Green Ranger coming back to me. So I was able to pick that up. But yeah, man, that's dope. That is dope. Anthony Lopez, do you have this? Do you have this? I don't know if you have this. You probably do. You got a lot of Power Ranger stuff. But again, that's all I have. Thank you for rocking and rolling with me. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Until next time, boys and girls. Continue watching your wallet. Watch it! Watch your wallet. Continue finding those deals. Continue collecting what you want to collect. There's too much BS out here, man. Have fun with what you want to collect, because you got to collect. You got to look at it. So let it be a reflection of you. And as always, no matter what you do in this world, and no matter what you do in life, be great at it. With an Infinity Gauntlet and Power Ranger helmets.